Samsung Galaxy S23 5G in the color cream. It is also available in green, lavender and phantom black color. It is crafted with recycled glass, PET film and colored with natural dyes. It has 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. Also available in 8GB and 512GB storage variant. Moving to its 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity O Full HD Plus flat screen. 120Hz adaptive refresh rate with Eye Comfort Shield features provide vivid visuals. Built with 50-megapixel wide-angle camera and 12-megapixel front camera to enhance details and deliver strikingly clear photos. The night photography enhanced AI keeps details clear, so low-light photos and videos will be bright and colorful from dusk to dawn and back again. Now let us look at the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform for Galaxy optimizes and streamlines your device for silky smooth games without draining the battery. Get long-lasting battery performance with 3900 mAh battery. The